The Retributors are a successor chapter of the Adeptus Astartes, serving during the era Indomitus. Drawn from the gene stock of the Imperial Fist's founding chapter, the warriors of the Retributors honor their lineage in their methods of waging war. Experts at shock assault and high-risk targeted strikes, the chapter operate primarily within the eastern fringe of the galaxy. Led by Chapter Master Augustus Vantor, the fleet-based chapter purged the stars of unclean Xenos and heretical rebellions, earning glory for the Imperium during 482.M39 at the War of the Ragosa Uprisings. As a Codex-compliant chapter, the Retributors eschew personal glory for battlefield effectiveness. Deployed as small impulsor squads, these highly independent contingents of the chapter are spread widely across each theater of war to allow for swift compliance. Relentless and deadly warriors, each Astartes of the chapter facilitate the commands of their squad leader to eliminate high-value targets during skirmishes and support their leaders as they breach enemy defenses. Clad in grey ceramite adorned with a golden aquila or imperialis upon their chest, the Retributors mark out their battlefield roles with simple white paint. Bearing their chapter icon on their left pauldron, a golden skull clenched by a gauntlet, their right pauldron bears their tactical speciality, whether it be tactical, impulsor, or devastator. Their right knee plate displays their company pattern, with their squad number imposed upon the design in simple Gothic text, though all Astartes with exception to impulsor squads and veterans also denote their squad identifiers on both pauldrons with a small icon and numerals. Each Astartes bears the mark of their technical signifiers on the brow of their helmets in white, with sergeants using black and veterans of the chapter bearing the Crux Imperialis in gold. Devastators and Assault Marines coat their armor in black, requiring sergeants to change the color of their markings to red paint, whilst all officers of the chapter are honored with white helmets, pauldrons, and even decorative capes adorning their pauldron. Regarded as lost by the wider Imperium, no records exist pertaining to their continued deeds made in the name of the Emperor. Yet the Sons of Dawn do not easily die, for they shall not relent, even in the face of terrible and malevolent foes.